Welcome back to another video. In this video we are in front of our house and this is the extension we built last year, and as you know we want to do a bathroom on the top, which means we need sewage. Also the sewage of the house is very old and it's from metal, so I don't know when that's gonna fail, so we're gonna dig new sewage pipes. So let's get started by digging this part. This was in 20th of May, so let's go back in time and dig this first line.
There's another one from there. Wait, but it's blue, no?
What is this?
Wow. Imagine if you would be a giant.
Wait, that's a wood barrel. That's a barrel ring. What if it's a barrel full of gold?
And you should already be kind of getting it.
No, that's the middle of the barrel. Gold is at the bottom.
Another ring.
Actually.
It is another ring.
Okay.
Try to open up that box.
I don't know.
It's a break.
What?
A stone.
Maybe it's written something on it.
No way.
That's anyways, I need to go 70 centimeters. I do need it out of my way.
There you go. Just pick it up.
I want to bend it.
You're not gonna bend it.
I bend it. 3-million-year-old spear that I just broke. It's a giant's ring. Oh, it's an arrow. Get me thrown. Told you it's an arrow. I think it's for holding beams together. What size of beams though?
Does it not write on it?
We bent it. It was perfectly straight.
Yeah, well, if it bends that easily.
Yeah, it's not very strong. But it's a museum. Look.
There's the floorboard.
That it could be.
You see, all of those tiny things are leading us to something.
The giants live here. For its size. Thought something interesting. So this is as far as we got for the first May part. I digged it pretty quickly, I think in only a few days. And then I hit this part, which is all rubble, because this is the road part, so it's a lot of rubble here. So I couldn't even get the shovel in, few centimeters in. It was just really hard. Also driven in with the car. And yeah, as you saw, we never found any treasure. We did hit the foundation that was here. Here was a building. This was kind of like a blacksmithing kind of area. So this had a building here as well. And here we decided to get an excavator and continue when we get the excavator. But financially, we chose to do the other project. So we actually steered away from the excavator as well. We said we're gonna get it, we're gonna get it, we're gonna get it. But the finances don't let us. So we are gonna continue on with our hands. And then we're gonna show you how it's all finished. So let's get on and dig it further. That's it.
Was it worth the fight?
Maybe. It honestly doesn't have any purpose. I'm the king of rust. King of rust.
King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust. King of rust.
So we got the first diagonal part here. I actually changed my mind from going all the way straight and connecting there to deciding the 45-degree angle is better also for the flow of things. So it is actually better than a sharp 90-degree corner. 45 is just softer. And this is the start of our sewage system. The first collector tank is here, then the next one is much further, and then it splits off into the fields to distribute the liquids. After I did the markings, that's when Desmond's brother was helping out. I dig the first one line all the way across, and then he digged it deeper and he found all this treasure. We found this giant metal which kind of looks like a handle from a carriage maybe. A lot of this stuff probably ended up here from old houses and stuff, where they're teared down and just all the rubble got dumped here because this was a muddy yard. And also something we haven't mentioned, that this is the actual farm side yard, which you can tell by the farm, the barn being here. And there was many more buildings. There was a building here and a building there, as I said. There was a big hay barn. And the other side of the house was actually the entrance of the house, and they actually had the road going across the fields. And this is actually the farm side. This is the ugly side of the house, and the other side was the beauty. So that's why there's a lot of farming things here maybe, and a lot of rubble is here just because they kept dumping it. And actually further on is actual cobblestone laid out. So they actually had it laid out paths of cobblestone just for walking in this weather, in this mud kind of. So yeah, that's why there's a lot of stuff here, and it's really hard to dig stones and rubble and bricks and everything. It's from probably houses got torn down and just got dumped here just to improve the ground here so it's not so muddy. So let's move on, finish digging, and yeah, get to the end, and then the next time we can put in the pipe. So let's get on with the digging. That's what the shovel said.
Oh.
It's a bit hot now. Cause gotta finish this. Tomorrow is gonna be too hot. Open. So as you can see, it is done till the barn. We still have to go inside and finish it up till the bathroom in there, but this is kind of the most important that needs to be done. And yeah, the only thing is the level here. Everywhere from the house coming down, it was a slope down, so I just digged it all the same height and I checked with level and it's always perfectly flowing down. But here it actually is going kind of flat and a bit down even here, so we might have to go quite deep at the end, or we just have to insulate the pipes here where they're going less than 70 centimeters, because 70 is our frost line roughly. Of course it's a bit less than that, but 70 is recommended. We are doing it everywhere close to 1 meter, so we're doing 30 centimeters extra, so we can come up here till 70 the pipe. And if we're going further than 70, like in the building, we're gonna put all insulation on the top and the sides, so hopefully that's gonna keep it from freezing. I don't think the frost ever gets that deep anyways. That's just a worst case scenario, so you don't have your pipes freezing. So also putting a water pipe right next to it, forgot to mention, that was kind of a last minute, not last minute decision. I didn't want water pipe here, but we also doing the water pipe, so that's gonna go till the house here, so it also needs to be insulated. We're probably gonna put it hiding under the big pipe, the big sewage pipe, so it kind of warms up the water pipe and keeps it from freezing maybe. But yeah, the hardest part was over here. This whole thing was full of stones. This is in front of the barn, so this probably was a lot of mud here, so they had put brick stones consistently, squeezing all down, and that's just something you can't get through very easily. It was very tightly packed in. So yeah, and this was here was pretty much cobblestone where it was the entrance of the barn, the main entrance. This was pretty much a cobblestone path, so it was a big mess. I used the pickaxe a lot to go through it. But yeah, we did it by hands. It was a good exercise, and we did not need the excavator, so it saves us quite a lot of money. And now we just need to go inside the barn, which is going to be easy. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. We're going to see you next time when we're putting in the pipes.